Hi guys, welcome to our first vlog for 2026. So, for food trip tayo ngayon ng buldak. Here are the ingredients that we prepared. And let's start. Of course, we're gonna be start frying out yung ating luncheon meat, Korean luncheon meat. And as per my partner's advice, best daw siyang i-fry ng walang cooking oil para maiwasan ang mga talsik at para mas maging crispy siya. So, we will just have it at golden brown para talagang panlaban siya sa anghang ng ating buldak. And while we're cooking, kindly comment where you're from para alam namin kung hanggang saan nakarating ang video na to. And of course, after the transition, golden brown na siya. Of course, pabalik na rin natin just to make sure na both sides are golden brown. Okay, so actually we cooked it at medium heat. Yan. And we always advise to put it on the tissue paper once we're done cooking. Most especially pag piniprito natin, no? For health reasons. Mas maganda yan. Iwas cholesterol. And after we cook that, we'll start boiling our noodles para sa ating buldak. Okay? So normally we want to cook it mga around 3 to 5 minutes lang para al dente siya or hindi siya masyadong sagi. Okay? Yan guys, once cooked na yung noodles, of course, once cooked na yung noodles, lagay na natin ang powder na pampalasa. Yan. And of course, i-mekos-mekos natin yan. Yan, mix-mix lang natin just to make sure na kumalat yung lasa niyan. And of course, for the spicy, talaga yung nilagay natin dyan para laban na laban. But of course, we will be using some milk just to counter the spice level. Or else magiging parang leon yan yung mga asawa natin kapag hindi natin na-kontra yung spice level. Okay? So we added some milk just to make sure na hindi masyadong maanghang. Okay? And then, mekos-mekos pa rin natin yan with the black chopsticks. Yan. Masarap yan gawing creamy. Of course, we will be adding up Parmesan cheese. Pampasosyal lang yan, guys. And of course, masarap yan. Tanong nyo pa sa mama mo na blue. Okay? So, i-mix natin yan. Mix lang natin yan. And of course, we added yan lang yung natira naming sliced cheese just for additional creaminess. Yan, minekos-mekos ng partner ko. Mabangis yan dahil Year of the Lion siya. Mukha din siyang lion kapag nagagalit. Okay? So, mekos-mekos lang natin yan. Ayan. Tingnan mo, galit na. Yan. After that, of course, plating na tayo and montage. Okay? Happy New Year, guys. Have always balanced diet and thank you for watching Food Trip.